best citrus juicers to up your vitamin C intake. The best way to get a healthy dose of vitamin C is by juicing your own citrus. Who knew you could have all the benefits of eating an orange and drinking it too? There are great options for people who want a good quality citrus juice machine without spending too much money, but still getting an excellent product. Many of these machines are high quality, but don't have all the bells and whistles with more expensive models. So if you're looking for something simple then, keep on watching to find out what's perfect for you. 1. Cuisinart Electric Citrus Juicer. The Cuisinart Electric Citrus Juicer allows you to control the amount of pulp that goes in your juice. Whether it's a more nutritious drink with fiber or if you're juicing for children who prefer no-pulp orange juice. 2. Schmidt Deco-Line Electric Citrus Juicer. The Schmidt Deco-Line Citrus Juicer Machine Extractor is an excellent buy for those looking to save some time and money. With its efficient design, you'll get more juice out of your citrus while saving on dishwashing. A non-slip base will ensure stability when in use while reducing vibrations, so fewer messes occur. You'll also have control over how much pulp comes into contact with your drink thanks to their fixed filter, which ensures only pure fruit flavor reaches your cup or glass without any hassle at all. 3. Drizzle Citrus Lemon Orange Juicer. The Drizzle Citrus Lemon Orange Juicer is the best multifunctional juicer of your dreams. It's easy to use and clean for your convenience. The screen can be attached if you want less pulp on your juice. You no longer have to deal with messy and laborious preparation in order to enjoy a refreshing drink. Just squeeze it out right from this sleek kitchen appliance that will look great anywhere. Its anti-slip base prevents any accidents while you're using it. So now there's one less thing to stress about when preparing breakfast. 4. Mueller Austria Citrus Juicer. The Mueller Austria juicer is the best centrifugal juicing machine money can buy. It's easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Plus, you don't have to slice up your fruit since there are large chutes for apple juice. This design separates seeds from juices, so they're easily absorbed by your body without any hassle at all. The powerful motor makes plenty of liquids per day, perfect for a healthy juice. 5. Chef N Fresh Force Manual Citrus Juicer. The Chef N Fresh Force Tabletop Citrus Press is a compact and innovative citrus press that makes fresh grapefruit, lemon, or orange juice with less effort. The easy-to-use pull-down lever and integrated spout squeeze the fruit to produce sweeter juices without crushing the pith of it. 6. Eurolux Electric Orange Juicer. The Eurolux Electric Orange Juicer Squeezer is an easy-to-use juicing machine, so if you have any hand or arm issues like carpal tunnel syndrome, this is manageable. The spout locks in place and drips will be a thing of the past with this juicer's double filter. If you want pure juice without pulp, then the Eurolux Electric Orange Juicer Squeezer is for you. It has built-in suction cups so it can stay on any table while being used. 7. Zole Professional Citrus Juicer. This heavy-duty juicer is great for anyone who loves to juice. The cast iron design makes it perfect whether you need your left or right hand free while working with the machine. With one pull and squeeze, this versatile appliance can maximize on orange juices, as well as grapefruit juice. Don't forget about lemons and limes either. It has a rubber foot that prevents slipping when in use, so there's no worry of injury from falling off counters or tables during usage. 8. Breville Diecast Motorized Citrus Juicer. The Breville Diecast Motorized Citrus Press is a great product. It can make juice in a short time, and it's quiet compared to other electric juicers for those early morning juice cravings. With the industrial strength that this revolutionary active arm system possesses, you can bet that making your favorite juices will be an easy task with just one push of the button on its sleek design. 9. Try Citrix Star Electric Citrus Juicer. This juicer does not take up much counter space, and it is affordable with a powerful 50-watt motor that makes quick extraction and silent operation. The interchangeable reams are great when you want to tackle smaller fruits or need a bigger one, such as grapefruit. It can last around 3 years if used regularly, which also adds value to this purchase. 10. Juicemen Electric Citrus Juicer. The Juicemen Citrus Juicer is a perfect companion for those on a budget and needs to squeeze fresh juice from any fruit. It's equipped with 2 cones designed explicitly for either large or small fruits, as well as an auto-reversing setting that ensures the maximum amount of juice can be extracted quickly without much effort. The 40-watt motor provides enough power for speedy juicing. It comes with a pulp filter to separate the juice from the fiber. Perfect if you want an excuse to try out your hand at baking muffins. Best Citrus Juicer Buying Guide. Type. There are 3 types of citrus juicers on the market today: squeezer, manual, and electric. Be sure to do your research before buying one. Material. You have at least 3 types of materials to choose from: wooden, metal, and plastic. A combination of metal and plastic is also an option. Capacity. If you have a small counter space at home, you may want to choose a juicer that you can stash in the cabinet. If you own a juice stand or are notorious for big parties, a big juicer is a way to go. Features. Look for features that will help you extract the most amount of juice from your citrus fruits, such as a large feed tube and an easy-to-clean design. Check if the parts are safe to clean in the dishwasher. There are plenty of citrus juicers to choose from, and all of them are the best ones we found. Did you find this video helpful? If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Advanced Mixology for more recommendations, tips, and more.